This how to 1 minute will show you how to add YouTube video as full screen background in WordPress website. Follow this step-by-step guide to do it. Log into your WordPress dashboard and hover over on plugins. Add new. Search here advanced WordPress background, and this is the plugin you have to install and activate. Once it's activated, go to page, and I'm going to creating a new page for this topic. Clicking on add block and searching here AWB, and you will get this background option. So click on that. Now click on this settings to enable settings panel, and here select the settings options, and here select video, select YouTube, and all you have to need just copy the YouTube video link, which one you want to use as a background in your WordPress website. Paste here the link. You can enable mobile device option from here. You can add a start time, end time from here, and I'm selecting here always play and loop option. You can change the video opacity from here. Scroll down and click on spacing, and I'm giving some padding here. You can enable parallax option from here. Then click on advanced. You can add some HTML anchor here. Click on overlay color, and from here you can add overlay. And now it's time to add some text here. So I'm clicking on this add block icon and selecting here heading and writing my heading. Selecting the text, and from this right hand menu you can customize the text. Now to make this video full screen, select the video block and click on full height, and click on this align icon and select full width, and that's how we can add a full screen video to WordPress website background. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.